guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and today I'm going to share with you my front porch makeover. So prior to doing this little makeover of my front porch this summer, our porch was just kind of blah and boring. I'll insert a picture so that you can see what I'm talking about. But basically all we had out there was a swing. It wasn't a very inviting space to be, and you could really only fit like 2 people out there comfortably on the swing. So, you know, I just had this vision of our front porch being this place where if someone comes over, we can all hang out there. And that's what I really wanted for it. So it just wasn't accomplishing that with that swing because the swing took up so much room. So I was like, I've got to figure out a way to get more seating out here and also just make it a whole lot cuter. So I think I accomplished that, and I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, let's go take a look. Okay, so here's my happy little front porch. Isn't it so much better? Okay, so if you guys saw the before picture, we used to have a porch swing here. We got rid of the porch swing because it took up so much space because, you know, you have to leave room for it to swing. And we got this just Patio Loveseat. And this is from Target. I'll link everything below. But this is really nice, and it's actually kind of a knockoff of one that I really liked from Serena and Lily, but it was super expensive. I was actually wanting one with white cushions, but I just could not find anything that I liked. So anyway, this is what we went with, and it's kind of cool because it rocks. It's like, I don't know how to actually show you on here without sitting on it, but the backs are separate and they rock. So it's kind of cool because still get that swing effect. All the pillows are from Hobby Lobby, except the 2 on the ends are just pillow covers from Amazon. And then this coffee table is from the same collection as the love seats. That's also from Target. And I added this, these are fake flowers, but the flowers and the vase that they're in are both from Hobby Lobby. And oh, the rug. So I feel like this rug really made a huge difference out here. It's an indoor-outdoor rug, so it sweeps off really easy. The color palette kind of my house is different shades of blue and green, and then with a little bit of pink here and there, just enough pink that I'm happy, but not so much that Wes is not. So then at first I bought the chairs that matched this collection, and they're really cute too, but they were just way too big for this space. It's just such a small porch, and I wanted white rocking chairs, but we just didn't have enough room for that either. So I found these at Target. They're super tiny, and they just fit perfect out here, and they fold up too, actually. So really nice and space saving. If you need just I think if you have a little balcony or just a little area, they'd be perfect for that too. I also added string lights, so that's fun in the evening. And then I'll take you over here in front of the door. So I've had this rug forever. You can tell it's kind of dirty and starting to shed, but I really like it still, so I haven't replaced it. And then I added these, which I am obsessed with. So these were actually gifted to me from a company called Nearly Natural. And don't they look real? I just think they look super realistic. I've always wanted round boxwoods like this. I just think they look so elegant and classic, and I don't know, I just really like it. So they come in 2 separate pieces. You can take this boxwood ball off. So when I do my fall decor, I'll probably take those off and put mums in the urn part, but the urn part is concrete or whatever. It's really good quality. I really like these, and it's nice because I don't have to worry about keeping them alive, which is always a struggle. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys out here was this Wreath and Sign. So every mom who has a baby and a dog needs this sign in their life. But yeah, I only put it out here when he's napping, but it looks cute too, so it's not super, you know, mean looking or anything. It's kind of funny. And then the wreath is fake as well. You can tell I like fake plants. I'm not good at keeping stuff alive. But it is from Hobby Lobby. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a question of the day for you guys. I'm just gonna start doing these fun little questions at the end of my videos. So front porches just always make me think of sitting there with a nice cool beverage. I wanna know what you guys prefer, iced tea or lemonade. Personally, I'm a lemonade girl, specifically Chick-fil-A diet lemonade is my favorite. But let me know in the comments. I hope you guys liked this look at my front porch makeover, and be sure to like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new videos. And you can also even click the bell notification button if you want to be notified every time I post. And to see like behind the scenes of when I'm working on a space or things like that, you can follow me over on Instagram at hollyhomebody_. All of the links and everything will be in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.